got pulled over. What's up, fam? It's your boy Vic. We back at it again. So as you can see, today is a great day for me. I'm mad excited, and I'll just go ahead and give you guys a hint. So the hint is I rode with my brother. That'll be the big hint. So you guys know what's going down. We're gonna go check out this baby out. We're out here at Atlanta Powerhouse Performance. We're gonna check this car out and see what we got going on, and stay tuned for what's gonna happen. All right. Ta-da! There she is. Dang, she's dirty, but
yeah. Oh, trust me, there's still stuff to do.
Oh yeah, no.
I figure you'll have some fun with it though. You'll get it home and wash it, and put all your panels and
yeah,
little knickknacks and stuff.
I see y'all kind of cleaned it a little bit. Did you put some stuff in its place over there a little bit?
What you mean?
Inside the car?
Yeah, everything that's remaining is in here in the back.
Okay. All the goodies back there. Oh, the seals to this is back there?
Yep.
Nice. Gotta put the seals for that. I don't know where that side...
I mean, how you do this, you always get it, and I can't.
Alright, you go ahead and start. I'm gonna turn this baby on. Oh, yeah. She is ready to go home. She's out. I'm definitely not used to driving this one yet. Yeah, I know, it had me nervous as freak.
Stressing?
Hey, appreciate it, bro. Yeah, she definitely gotta be. You can kind of tell the color difference in person, but in video, can't tell nothing. She's definitely looking clean though.
Yeah.
Hey, if it rains, we're screwed. I got the back one. I got the back windshield wiper. Let's give it another turn on in this baby real quick. I'm gonna let it run for a minute. Got the little fuel gauge over here, baby. Just need to get the cover rear so I can hold it there, and probably get another meter or something there for it. It's sounding pretty good. Not too shabby, but I got a lot of stuff to do to it. A bunch of trim stuff, as you guys can tell. Got to get these windows on there. That little seal that goes there, and the seal that goes back here. Got to get that done. But other than that, I think there's like a few other things. First stop, we gonna get some gas. Back on the road we go. She's turned on and ready to roll, baby. Well, I just got pulled over. Pretty much checking for my tag. Obviously, I just got it, but they let me go with no citation at all, so we cooling. So it was apparently a narcotic cop. They're checking me for drugs, so I let them just go ahead and check my car. I have nothing in my car, so I gave them full consent. I ain't gotten worried about that. I don't do that illegal crap. Asked me if I had like illegal guns or any type of weapons like 3 or 4 times, which I have told them each time no, but you know what I'm saying, I guess this is just part of their job. But yeah, that happened. But it is what it is, so shoot, let's get on this road. I might get stopped again before I get home, but it's part of the process of having no license plate. But I had insurance, so I showed them that. It's cool. We in lit. Alright fam, so she made it back safe and sound. So I don't think I explained the whole game plan. The game plan for the car is to pretty much drive it for like a week or so to break in because of the new motor being rebuilt and all that good stuff. Being safe, better than sorry. So we're gonna take our chances and kind of work things out as soon as the tune comes into play. But at the moment I'm just driving it to reinsure things and clean up the car actually, because it's got a lot of stuff that needs to be cleaned up in the car inside, and a little bit of outside stuff and stuff like that. But made it safe and sound. Obviously the cop stopped me forever without having my license plate, which I did not have my license plate. I had insurance on that, all that good stuff. I didn't record because it was in the moment, and yeah, I just didn't think about it. I'm still new to this YouTuber thing, so but everything's good. He didn't give me a ticket, no citation, nothing. He just gave me a warning and stuff like that. But I'll be getting my license plate here soon. Because like I said, I got him insurance, so he checked all that. He was cool towards the end, kind of acted a little butthole. But other than that, that's just what cops do every now and then. But it was cool. But good thing is we made it home safe and sound. The car's working just fine. The fuel and all that stuff doing pretty good. It's everything's in good condition so far. There's some stuff like I'm rubbing in the back of the tire just because of my back bumper right in the corner. My tires are so thick. But other than that, the car's running just fine. But shoot, I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the dyno tune, the full dyno tune, and that may or may not be within a week or so. Don't quote me on that, because a lot of things happen here and there. People will get busy, stuff like that. But I do appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Catch you guys on the flip. I'm sure I'm forgetting to say a lot of stuff, but it's whatever. See you guys later.